Okay, guys, lesson 47 on your simple solutions. Call to the post problems 1 through 5. This is day 4 for NTI. So problem 1, I'm just going to hold this under here and read it. Study the equation 5 times 3 plus 7 equals 15 plus 35 because of the distributive property. So we're multiplying 5 times 3 and then 5 times 7. We can use the distributive property to create an equivalent equation, even if it includes variables. So 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times m is 5m. So use the distributive property and write an equivalent expression for 9 times 3n plus 7. So 9 times 3n plus 7. So you're going to take 9 times 3n. You get 27n plus 9 times 7, which is 63. So that would be an equivalent expression. Okay, number 2, Thomas finds 29 ants, 20 bees, and 4 spiders in his garden. Write the ratio of bees to spiders. So bees to spiders is 20 bees to 4 spiders. So if we simplify that ratio, we can divide both the bottom and the top by 4, and you get 5 bees to 1 spider. Not 4, 1 spider. So 5 to 1 and 5 to 1. Okay, number 3, we're finding the quotient of 1/5 divided by 2/5. 1/5 divided by 2/5. So use our helpful hint that I taught you. You can skip, flip, multiply, reduce when dividing with fractions. So 1/5 times 5/2, the reciprocal of 2/5. I can also cross simplify here. 5 goes into 5 1 and 5 goes into 5 once. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer is 1/2. And number 4, we are subtracting decimals. So remember that you have to line your decimals up when subtracting. And I have this empty space right here, so I can fill that with a 0 as a placeholder. So now I subtract. 0 take away 6. That's going to be 10 when I borrow. 10 take away 6 is 4. 8 take away 7 is 1. 8 take away 2 is 6. And 7 take away 1 is 6. So 66 14/100ths. And then the last question, you had to look at dot plot D, which is right here. And you're finding the range of the data, so you have to take the maximum minus the minimum. 4 take away 1, so the range would equal 3. And that's it for problems 1 through 5 on lesson 47, Simple Solutions.